Hello everyone, welcome to opportunitycircle.com. We're back with another video. In this video, we'll give you a detailed description of the Erasmus Mundus Scholarship. The Erasmus Mundus Scholarship is a fully funded scholarship by the European Union. Erasmus is one of the most prestigious and competitive scholarships around the world. Both European Union and non-European Union candidates can apply. Universities from all over Europe and UK are participating in this program. As this is a joint degree program, you have to study in at least 2 different universities. There are approximately 125 programs in the Erasmus portal. You can choose your program from the catalog. The application portal opens in September depending on your program. Deadlines vary according to every program. This is a fully funded scholarship and anyone can apply. As every scholarship has an eligibility criteria, the Erasmus Mundus Scholarship has 2 types of categories and has different eligibility criteria. The eligibility criteria for category A is: you are eligible for the scholarship if you are a national coming from a third country. You are not a resident of any of the 27 EU member states. You should not have carried out any main activities such as studies, work, or tourism in any 27 European Union member states for more than a total of 12 months over the last 5 years. The eligibility criteria for category B is: you are a European student, you are a non-European student, but you do not fulfill category A requirements. Benefits of the Erasmus Mundus Scholarship. This is a fully funded scholarship. It covers tuition fees, travel costs, etc. A stipend up to €1,000 is provided monthly to every student. Free language classes are provided along your travels. You will have the advantage to travel through Europe as you'll have a Schengen visa. Documents required to apply to the Erasmus Mundus Scholarship: recommendation letter, statement of purpose or personal statement, motivation letter, relevant degree and transcript, a passport, and an English certificate, for example IELTS or TOEFL, and a Europass CV. You can check out some of the frequently asked questions on the Opportunity Circle Erasmus Mundus page. These questions are quite helpful for the candidates applying for the scholarship. Furthermore, to apply for this scholarship, scroll down on the page and click on Apply Now.
Are you enjoying the video? Do press the like button below and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon for daily updates and latest content. Also join us on our Telegram to get daily opportunities directly in your inbox.
This will direct you to the Erasmus catalog, where you can select your desired program in which you want to apply. From here, you can select your field of study from the drop-down list, country, universities. There is a whole list of universities from which you can select year of your intake, year of project selection, credits. There are about 125 programs listed in the Erasmus Mundus. You can select your desired program and then click on the link. This will direct you to the official link. Here you can check out the details about your selected program, the 4 countries, such as the 4 participating countries for the Agricultural, Food and Environmental Policy Analysis Project are Germany, Sweden, Italy and Belgium. You can check out the start and end date of the program, the European Union grant, the official website, key action, action type, the summary of the program, and then to start your application program, you have to scroll down and click on the link in the results section. This is the official application page of the program. Every program has a different layout and you can select your program accordingly. Thank you for watching this video. We hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you so much and stay tuned for more.